G and Zimetra. Your special one's birthday is coming and you only have 5 to 10 minutes left to make a special card. Don't worry, time is enough, and I can assure you that the cards will look pretty, though my handwriting is not so fancy. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. This card is tree and bird, and it is very brightly colorful, which I like a lot. And you can see the mutual relationship between the tree and the bird. You don't need much tools. You need a paper, some marker pens, and colorful oil pastels. Or you may use crayons that can be spread. And you can even choose to use soft pastels or chalks, though I personally prefer the West-like texture oil pastels gave. Of course, we also need tissue paper. Fold the A4 paper and fold again so it is now more square and cut it. Start drawing the tree. You can draw it after coloring the background with oil pastels, but since my marker pens do not go well if I used oil pastels first, so I decided to draw first. And when you are drawing the branches, be reminded that do not draw them in a smooth curve. You can see I draw one straight line after the other, and the outer branches are thinner than the inner branches. Also, be sure you do not draw them symmetrically so they look more realistic and natural. Then draw the bird. Start with a circle as his head, then an oval shape which is about 2 times the size of the circle as his body. Then a tiny triangle as the beak. Then draw the wings like I'm doing now. And with a lovely feathery tail. You don't even have to be good at drawing, but still it is so lovely, isn't it? You have to write "You nurture me" on the card as well. Then start painting the background. Casually paint the colors on is okay. You don't have to paint it perfectly. And when you're painting the next color, add back some red color for transition. It is actually better to draw after painting, so if your marker pens allow you to do so, paint first. Get a clean tissue paper and start wiping from the lightest color so you can use the same tissue paper to wipe the orange and red color. If you feel like the transition is not good enough, you can go back and add more color and wipe again until you're satisfied with the result. Get glitter pens or green marker pen and draw the leaves. Also draw some leaves on the ground like falling leaves. Then draw the fruits. The meaning of this card is that while the tree provides food to the bird helps the tree to scatter the seeds. And so, bird and tree nurture each other, just like the relationship of lover and family. Using oil pastels, you can also make other pretty cards as well. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next week. Bye!